Bolivia, officially known as the plurinational state of Bolivia, is a landlocked country located in the heart of South America, bordered by Brazil to the north and east, Paraguay and Argentina to the south, Chile to the southwest, and Peru to the northwest. The country spans a wide range of ecological zones, from the towering peaks of the Andes Mountains and the arid highlands of the Altiplano to the tropical lowlands of the Amazon basin. Bolivia's administrative capital is La Paz, which lies at an altitude of approximately 3,650 meter (11,975 feet) above sea level, making it the highest capital city in the world, while Sucre, located in the south-central part of the country, serves as the constitutional capital and seat of the judiciary. With a population of around 12 people, Bolivia is characterized by a rich cultural diversity, with over 36 recognized indigenous groups, including the Aymara, Quechua, Guarani, and others, each contributing to the country's vibrant cultural and linguistic tapestry. Spanish is the official and most widely spoken language, but numerous indigenous languages such as Quechua, Aymara, and Guarani also hold official status and are widely used in daily life, education, and government. Bolivia's terrain and biodiversity are among the most diverse in the world. It is home to part of the Andes Range, the vast Altiplano Plateau, Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, the salt flats of Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, and expansive tracts of rainforest in the Amazon basin. These diverse geographic zones support a range of climates and ecosystems, from cold alpine tundra to humid tropical rainforests, allowing Bolivia to support a high level of biological diversity, including jaguars, llamas, vicuñas, pink river dolphins, and thousands of plant species. Historically, Bolivia was part of the ancient Tiwanaku and later Inca civilizations before being colonized by the Spanish Empire in the 16th century following Francisco Pizarro's conquest. It remained under Spanish rule for nearly 3 centuries until it declared independence in 1825, taking its name from Simón Bolívar, the leader of several South American independence movements. Bolivia's post-independence history has been marked by periods of political instability, military coups, territorial losses, notably to Chile in the War of the Pacific, resulting in the loss of its coastal access, and revolutionary transformations, most notably the 1952 Bolivian National Revolution, which brought sweeping reforms including land redistribution, nationalization of major industries, and expanded suffrage. In recent decades, Bolivia has undergone significant political and social changes, especially under the presidency of Evo Morales, the country's first indigenous president, who served from 2006 to 2019. His administration focused on indigenous rights, economic redistribution, and the nationalization of key resources such as natural gas and minerals. Morales' tenure was marked by both praised social progress and deepening political divisions, ultimately leading to his resignation in 2019 amidst electoral controversy and widespread protests. After a transitional government, Luis Arce, a member of Morales's Movement for Socialism party, was elected president in 2020. Bolivia's economy is largely based on the extraction and export of natural resources, including natural gas, silver, zinc, and lithium, the latter of which is especially significant due to the massive reserves found in the Salar de Uyuni, positioning Bolivia as a key player in the global green energy transition. Agriculture, including the cultivation of soy, quinoa, coca, and coffee, also plays a crucial role in the economy, particularly in rural and indigenous communities. Despite its vast natural wealth, Bolivia remains one of the poorer countries in South America, facing challenges such as income inequality, inadequate infrastructure, corruption, and limited access to quality healthcare and education, particularly in remote regions. The government has implemented various social programs to combat poverty and improve literacy, health, and living standards, with mixed results. Bolivia's society is deeply influenced by indigenous traditions and Catholicism, often blending in syncretic forms of religious and cultural expression, evident in festivals such as the Carnival of Oruro, a UNESCO-recognized event that features elaborate costumes, music, and dances that merge indigenous and Christian elements. Bolivia's cuisine reflects its geographic and cultural diversity, featuring ingredients such as potatoes, maize, quinoa, and llama meat, and dishes like saltanas, savory pastries, pique macho, spicy beef dish, and a pecan pastel, a sweet corn drink with fried pastries. Music and dance are central to Bolivian identity, with traditional forms such as the Andean panpipes, charango music, and folk dances like morenada and capoeirales showcasing its indigenous and mestizo roots. Bolivia's unique cultural heritage is also reflected in its architecture, ranging from pre-Columbian ruins like Tiwanaku and the Inca Trail network to colonial cities such as Potosi, once one of the richest cities in the world due to its massive silver mines, and Sucre, known for its whitewashed buildings and well-preserved churches. The nation's education system has been evolving, with increasing emphasis on bilingual and intercultural education to reflect the country's multicultural identity. Bolivia is also notable for its commitment to environmental and indigenous rights, enshrined in its 2009 constitution, which recognizes Mother Earth Pachamama as a legal entity and grants nature-specific rights, a landmark concept in international environmental law. The Bolivian military and police play a prominent role in society, often involved in political affairs, but civilian oversight has been gradually increasing. Bolivia is a member of various international and regional organizations, including the United Nations, the Organization of American States, Mercosur as an associate member, and ELBA, and it maintains diplomatic ties with countries across the globe, including strong relationships with other Latin American nations and increasingly with China and Russia. Tourism is a growing sector in Bolivia's economy, driven by attractions like the otherworldly landscapes of Salar de Uyuni,